Hi everyone, how are you today? I'm Mileta and this is channel about project management and more. Today we are going to talk about how to start a project. The short and the best answer would be get a good team. But how to get a good team? Get a project manager and get a business analyst. That's how you can start. So the project has been approved. The executives at their board session approved the project based on a long strategy of the organization that was probably discussed before and approved before. So within that strategy, the executives decided it is now the time to go ahead with the project. That means they think there are sufficient resources available to run that project. You are the executive sponsor or the sponsor of the project, and you need to start the project. How are you going to do that? You need to put together a team. In order to start building a team, you need help from people who are doing that on a regular basis, and that's a project manager and a business analyst. Many times we experience that sponsors want to save some money, so they hire someone who is part-time business analyst and part-time project manager. My experience tells me that this is not a good solution, because business analyst never becomes completely a good project manager and vice versa. Project managers are good in managing time, but not necessarily the scope. So you have a project manager, you hire a project manager, and you hire a business analyst. Project manager starts looking to the schedules, starts looking into constraints and the conditions for the project, while a business analyst at the same time works on a high level scope, definition of the scope of the project, what are the goals, what the project needs to achieve, and establishes close communication with all stakeholders. Both of them together create a document which is called the charter, and that charter is an agreement, a contract between stakeholders and the organization that certain project will be delivered with certain characteristics. So in order to start the project, get a good project manager and get a good business analyst. Project manager will start building the team based on the schedule that he created and the resources he figured out are needed to accomplish the scope that business analysts actually defined. And that's how the team is built, and that's how the project starts. Today we were talking about how to start a project, and we were in the skin of an executive sponsor. So the first step is find a good project manager, find a good business analyst. We will be talking later how to do that, but that's the first step. Thank you all, and have a good day.